Welcome back to our 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today, we are going to do smiling from the heart, adding positive emotional content to our Qigong practice before we begin, getting our heart energy moving to add more benefits to our Qigong practice. Day 1 was shifting mind, body, and breath. Day 2 was relaxing from head to toe. Now let's smile from the heart. This is something that you just do traditionally. You don't ask questions, you don't worry about it, you just smile from the heart. However, that can be difficult for many of us in many different circumstances. So let me show you some levels. Level 1 might be just putting a smile on your face, physically. Not a true smile, just a smile that sends a signal to your brain and to your nervous system, which does begin to make changes. Another complementary approach is like a gratitude journal. Journaling to remember what it is that you are thankful for. All the things that we take for granted, that we've forgotten, that are cause for joy. In a Qigong practice, we can create a gratitude chain. We can pick something nearby, simple, that we can see or experience. Notice it, add it to our chain, add it to our list, add something else. I like plants. I'm grateful for that. I've got a roof over my head. I'm enjoying my breathing and enjoying just being alive. You can start to add pets and people. As you begin to notice these things, you can experience the gratitude. All of these things building up can build up into joy. The gratitude can become joy. It can fill you up, and it can blossom out as a smile from the heart. Another somatic method that we can do to add positive emotional content is the sigh of satisfaction. The ah sound. It fills you with a sense, a feeling of satisfaction, an embodied sense of satisfaction. This is a practice. Experiment with it. Practice it often and choose what resonates and what works for you. Let's add all of these separate tools to a beginning practice. We come to our space in a safe place. We adjust our posture into Wuji position. The feet parallel, knees softly bent. Sink into our structure and float. Relax the front part of the body from head to toe. Relax the back part of the body and let it settle. Relax internally. Let off stress with a sigh of relief. Let's add a little bit of positive emotional content, the sigh of satisfaction. Smile from the heart, even if it's just a physical smile you put on your face. Start building a gratitude chain. One thing around you, then add another and another. Things, places, experiences, pets, people. Let this gratitude turn into joy. Fill you up and blossom out as a smile from the heart. Please practice this over and over again. Practice makes perfect. Repetition is the key to learning. And let me know what you think about this in the comments. Thank you so much for practicing with me. We'll continue more tomorrow.